If you have a long piece of paper, and you start folding it, one sheet on another, you will not be able to fold a piece of paper more than 12 times. Even it will be very hard to fold more than 7 times. In 2002, Britney Crystal Gallivan was the first person who made a Guinness World Record by folding it 12 times. Suppose, somehow if you were able to fold 50 times, the thickness of paper will be more than the distance between Earth and Moon. The distance between Earth and Moon is 384,400 kilometers. If you fold the 0.1 mm paper 50 times, its thickness will be 112,589,990 kilometers, which is much greater than the distance to the Moon. While the distance of the Sun from the Earth is 149,600,000 kilometers, in this case, if the paper is folded 51 times showing consistency, then the thickness of the paper will be more than the distance of the Sun, which will be 225,179,981 kilometers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to us for more interesting videos.